Hello students. So again, welcome to your next class. So today we will also discuss about some basic concepts and features, and those are also very much basic things. So let's start. Today actually we are going to discuss how we can insert new spreadsheet and also how we can delete it. Okay, so for inserting, first of all I want to mention something that every time you should name your worksheet. Otherwise, if you will work with different 15 different worksheet which is present in only a single workbook, then if you are trying to find out a particular worksheet and if you have named like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 up to sheet 15, then it will be difficult for you to find out that particular worksheet. Okay, so when you are using it, after 1 month you are going to use it, so that time you will not remember that where you have written that particular data. See, if you have mentioned a workbook named student and within that you are having multiple worksheet, like in first worksheet you have stored data like roll numbers of students, and then in next worksheet you have mentioned like result, the marks obtained by the student, and in third worksheet you have mentioned some co-curricular activities of the students, and in fourth one you have mentioned some contact details of the student. So for that we are having 4 different types of worksheet and we are having different data in different worksheet, but all these 4 worksheets are present within a single workbook, and the name of that workbook will be student because all the informations are about student, right? So for that, if you are using it after like 1 or 2 months, then you will not remember. If you name it like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, for that you will not remember which worksheet is for what. So always remember that you should name your worksheet properly. That means it should, it should be upon the purpose also. I mean, the purpose that this worksheet is serving, the types of data that it is holding, it should match to the name of that worksheet. I'm trying to tell that if you are storing some result, I mean some marks that a student got in the last exam, then you should name your worksheet as result. So for that, later on you will find that worksheet very easily. So that is my point, why we should name a worksheet particularly, and it is important. Why it is important? Okay, so for that, how we can change the name. So for changing the name, you have to come to at the bottom. You can see that the name of this particular worksheet is mentioned as sheet 1. So you should change it. So we will double click on the name and then we will write the particular name. So I am going to name it demo because it is a demo worksheet. I'm doing nothing but giving you the demo. Okay, so that's why it will be demo. Okay, that is the demo worksheet. Now the point comes how we can add multiple worksheets. I will show you 2 different ways. First of all is the easy one that we always do in our daily life, that we can press this plus button, and every time we will press it, we will see that a new worksheet will be added. So another way is also present, like what you have to do, you have to come to this home tab, and within this you will have this cells group, and in the cells group you will have this insert button. So you have to click the drop down and then you can press insert sheet, and after that you will see that another sheet will be added. Okay, so that's how we can add multiple sheets. Okay, so now next question is how we can delete a sheet, right? So for deleting it, what you have to do, you have to come to that particular sheet that you want to delete, and then you can go to this cells group again, and in this drop down you can select this delete sheet. That means that particular sheet will be deleted. See, we are not having that sheet 3. Okay, so next is we are going to delete sheet 4 also. So you have to press delete sheet. Okay, so this is that much easy. Okay, thus we can just delete a particular sheet. Now the question comes how we can name our workbook. This is a workbook and the name of this workbook will be shown here, book 1. It is the default name actually. So for that what you have to do, I am going to show you how we can save our Excel. That is also the point. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to come to file tab, then you have to come to save as, then you have to choose a particular folder. I am choosing desktop. Okay, then this window opens and you can choose furthermore folder, but I'll not. So let's name it as, I am giving introduction of Excel, so let's write introduction to Excel. Okay, and the extension will be Excel workbook. Okay, I will mention what is going to be the extension of Excel file. I will show you later on. Okay, after that you have to save it. All right, I have saved that. So let's see how it is saved. Okay, let's minimize it, and then you will see introduction to Excel is here. You have to open it. Got it? I have opened that workbook. Okay, I think you have got that. Okay, and what is, okay, what is the extension, right? Okay, the type of the file is Excel. Okay, and here you will see that type of file, beside type of file you will see .xlsx, right? So this is the extension of Excel, and for Word as we see it will be docx sometimes, and for PowerPoint it will be .pptx and like that. So the extension of our Excel will be .axlxs. Okay, so that is it for today. See you in the next class and practice at home, and if you are having any question then obviously write in the comment section. So bye bye for today. See you. Bye.